Hey everyone! Do you struggle with ingrown hairs that are causing you pain, discomfort, or even embarrassment? You're definitely not alone, and the good news is, you can solve this issue with some systematic steps. Today, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to stop ingrown hair. And hey, I get it. Dealing with this can be frustrating, but the problem is common and totally solvable. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the ingrown hair. First off, you need to make sure that what you're dealing with is actually an ingrown hair. It will usually appear as a small, raised red bump, similar to a pimple. In some cases, you may even see the hair trapped beneath the skin surface. Step 2. Soften the area. Before you do anything else, soften the area around the ingrown hair by applying a warm, damp washcloth for a few minutes. According to a study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science, moist heat can help soften skin, making the next steps easier. Step 3. Exfoliate gently. Exfoliating the skin is crucial. It removes the layer of dead skin cells, allowing the trapped hair to break free. Use a gentle scrub and rub it in a circular motion over the ingrown hair area. A 2015 study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology recommends exfoliation as a method to prevent and treat ingrown hairs. Step 4. Use sterile tweezers. Once you've softened and exfoliated the skin, it's time to free the ingrown hair. Now, don't use just any tweezers. Make sure they're sterile. You can sterilize them by dipping them in alcohol or hydrogen peroxide. Step 5. Free the hair. Using the tweezers, gently tease the hair out from under the skin. Make sure you don't pluck it out completely. Just lift the embedded end out of the skin. Step 6. Apply antibacterial cream. After freeing the hair, apply a small amount of antibacterial cream to the area. This will help prevent infection. Medical professionals commonly recommend antibacterial creams for minor skin procedures, according to an article in the American Journal of Infection Control. Step 7. Keep the area moisturized. Finish off by applying an unscented lotion to keep the area moisturized. This will help the skin heal quicker. Preventative measures. Shaving technique. Before we wrap up, let's talk about prevention. When shaving, always use a fresh blade and non-comedogenic shaving gel. Shave in the direction of hair growth and not against it. A publication from Harvard Health suggests that proper shaving techniques are crucial in preventing ingrown hairs. So there you have it, folks. A straightforward guide to stopping ingrown hairs. If you found this guide useful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.